In this video, I'll show you how you can add the Trustpilot reviews to your Shopify store. So for that, we need Shopify, and we also need a different website to install the Trustpilot widget. And that website is Elfsight. You want to go to elfsight.com and then click on widgets right there. Next up, click on search and then search for Trustpilot, which I'll do right now. Trustpilot, and then hit enter. You'll then find reviews from Trustpilot. Click on it. Next up, click on create widget, top right corner. You'll then find different templates on here. So they have 7 different templates that you can choose. So choose the one that you want to use on your store. I'll just go with the normal one, and then I'm going to click on continue with this template. Step number 2 is adding the Trustpilot URL right there. You can customize all of this, and once you're done with that, you want to click on join to install and then sign up for an account on Elfsight. I'm going to sign in because I already have an account. And they should then send you back to the page where you need to click on save right there. You then want to click on add to website and copy this code. Then go to your Shopify store. Go to themes right there. Click on actions and then click edit code. And you can then paste that code in there. So depending on where you want to add the Trustpilot reviews, you want to paste it in the code. So if you want to use this on a product page, you simply want to find products in here. So product.liquid. There it is, and then you want to add this right there. So paste that code, then hit save, and that's how you can add the Trustpilot reviews. So I'll just go to my store right now, and right there you'll then find the Trustpilot reviews. So if this video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you next time.